This is the package from Aliexpress, and inside should be 2 packages. This is the one, and this is the second. This package should contain the soldering station, soldering tweezers from Silverflo with 6 picks. And this is something. Okay. So here we have some tips. This is one. I don't know why, but this is not correct, because these two are the same. And these two are the same too. I don't know why. So I think I'm missing some of them, because these are exactly the same. This is the curve tipped, and these two are also the same. They are the same, and I will create much better photo. These are different, but I don't like that I have two the same pairs. So what's next here? So some soldering pins and tweezers. This is the original. So I'm missing the straight tip and this knife, which should be smaller. No, this is the smaller knife. So I have 6 pairs, but 2 are the same. This is the soldering iron. Should be the Pro version, which it seems it is. This is the power supply, which should be 65, it seems like okay. And this is what? This is the power and the stand and some exchanger other bits. Okay, I will test it, but these tips are not what should be